Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am here today to talk about supplements and how to choose your supplement stack. There are obviously tons of different supplements on the market and it can be really confusing because they have every vitamin known to man. They have all these extracts and all this fancy stuff, and it can be really confusing when you walk into the supplement store and you are literally swamped with thousands of products and you have no idea what to choose. So today I'm gonna help break that down for you and talk about what you might need in your life depending on your goals. So the first product that I'm gonna recommend is if you are on a weight loss journey, a fat burner might help you out a little bit. The number one most important thing to remember here is that you cannot trust your fat burner to do the work for you. It'll help kick things up a teensy little bit and help to just get your progress. If you're moving this rate, you're just gonna move a little bit quicker, but that's it. Do not rely on a fat loss product to do the work for you. You have to do that, and that is my biggest thing. I will recommend one, and it's by Strong Physiques. Their fat burning stack is really awesome. It's got really clean ingredients and everything, and I totally trust the people that make those products. So that's a great recommendation there. The next thing I want to talk about is, sorry if I'm looking down, I've got notes to make sure I don't miss anything because there's a lot when it comes to supplements. It's a multivitamin, and this is so darn important, okay? Multivitamins are so important because you don't necessarily get all of the micronutrients that you need throughout the day, like just off of your diet. You're gonna need extra stuff because no one's diet is perfect. That's just a fact of the matter. No one is perfect, and you might miss things in your diet, and that can eventually affect your health. I feel like a squirrel right now. I'm like, my recommendation for a multivitamin is the First Form multivitamin. There'll be a little picture right here so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'll make sure to link everything in the description as well. So if you want to buy any of these products, they will be in the description bar below. But anyways, the First Form multivitamin is really useful in my opinion, just because I feel like they put a really great amount of the ingredients in there. They put enough so that your body can absorb everything that it needs, and then obviously you're going to excrete the rest no matter what. But I just really think they have a great blend in there, and it isn't held together by any nasty products, because some vitamin binding products are like not very good for you or your digestive system and basically don't work. And I trust First Form not to have those products in there, and I've read through the ingredients and stuff, so I know. But yes, I would do the First Form multivitamins. Next is a probiotic. This is probably the most important thing in my opinion, because gut health is so important. Your gut health affects your mental health, it affects your digestive health obviously, it affects your weight loss, it can affect your sleep. There's just so much that the gut helps within the body, and you need to make sure that you are maintaining a good healthy balance of bacteria in your gut. So my recommendation is Regulator by Provitum, which is like a sub-brand of Tiger Fitness, a great YouTuber and bikini competitor and registered dietitian that I watch named Kara Corey. I'll link her channel in the description below as well. Formulated this product alongside Tiger Fitness, and she did a great job. She was very careful in picking the strains of bacteria that she that she put into the product and everything, and I 100% trust her opinion because she's really been researching a lot about gut health and given a lot of informational advice on the YouTubes. So I definitely would recommend that one for sure. Next, if you're a guy, you might want a testosterone booster. This obviously is not like pure testosterone because it's a steroid. But having a testosterone booster might just help you feel a little bit more athletic, a little faster and sleeker and all that fun stuff in the bedroom, and stuff like that. So if that's important to you, I recommend having a test booster in your supplement stack. It is entirely up to you though. You can always try one out, and then if you don't really feel anything, you don't have to buy it again. It's really just up to you and what you feel. But the one that I will recommend is Test X 180 by Force Factor. The thing about testosterone boosters is that a lot of them are kind of like a 2-in-1 product, so it'll be like a testosterone booster and a fat burner. But my recommendation is to go with a solid test booster, because you only have so much volume in that one little pill, and you want to pack as much testosterone boosting punch as you can in that one pill. So, you know, just get a different supplement if you want a fat burner with it as well. But yeah, testosterone boosters, I think can be really useful for the right person. It really just depends on you and your needs. Next, a fish oil. This is really great if you have trouble getting in all of your essential fatty acids. You definitely can get them in by eating like good fatty foods. But if that's just hard for you, adding a fish oil in there might be a great idea. They can help with like joint lubrication and some other stuff. And my mind is blanking because I'm trying to remember all this information about all these different supplements. Your brain is actually 70% fat, so having those extra omega-3 fatty acids can really help with cognitive function and also heart health as well. I personally recommend the 1st Phorm fish oil. They have a really great product and they've paid a lot of attention to the actual oil that goes into it and everything. So I definitely recommend the 1st Phorm fish oil if you're looking for a product like that. Next is a pre-workout, and there are tons of different kinds of pre-workouts out there. But this is going to just help you get a better pump in the gym, hit that extra last rep, run a little harder. I love pre-workouts. They really help me to stay more focused and just get more out of my workouts. And the one that I will recommend is Buff Juice. They have a great blend of beta-alanine. They've got a good amount of caffeine in there, and they also offer a non-caffeinated version if you are sensitive to caffeine, which I think is really cool. They've got a variety of flavors. So I definitely recommend the Buff Juice one. And the cool thing about pre-workout is that you can kind of customize it and add in your own things. For instance, if you want a little bit of extra creatine, you can purchase creatine separately and add it in there. Or if you want extra beta-alanine, you can purchase beta-alanine separately and add it in there. So definitely check out the Buff Juice pre-workout. And then depending on you and your needs, you can also add things to it and customize it as needed. Next up is protein, obviously. And this is really interesting because protein is something that you should be getting in your diet. Like, you should be eating enough of it, but sometimes depending on your goals, especially if you're trying to build muscle, you're eating a lot of protein, and it can be hard to just eat that much meat and cheese and other like high protein foods. So sometimes it's nice to be able to just down a protein shake. So if you are thinking about getting a protein, I would recommend the 1st Phorm Formula 1. I really love, the main reason that I recommend this is because a lot of protein shakes can make you feel sick and like literally want to throw it back up. I don't know if that's just me, but that's how I feel sometimes. And theirs mixes so smoothly, whether it's water, almond milk, or whatever. A lot of times it mixes really smooth, and they've got a really cool blend of flavors. It is 20 grams of protein per scoop, so it really depends on like yourself, like how much protein you want in one scoop or like one serving size. Typically I do 2 scoops and I get 40 grams of protein in, but it really is up to you. There are so many different proteins out there on the market, so it might be worth just doing some research for you and deciding what you need. And the last supplement that I'm going to mention today is creatine. And creatine just helps you to build muscle and increase strength and stuff like that. So if building muscle and increasing your strength and stuff like that are your goal, then I would definitely recommend adding creatine into your supplement stack. It can make you hold a little bit of water though, so watch out for that. If you are feeling a little bloated or like a little jiggly, it might just be because the creatine is helping you hold a little bit more water than usual.
Tell them about the HCl variant, which retains less water than normal creatine monohydrate.
Brendan has a little bit more information, so would you let them know what you just said?
So there are different types of creatine. There's creatine HCl, which, you know, has less water retention than normal creatine monohydrate. So just be careful and be mindful when you're ordering. It is a little bit more expensive though, so just
That was like so fast. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even understand that. That was so fast. But if you couldn't understand him, just watch it again until you get what he's saying. But basically, if water retention is something that you do want to avoid, there is another form of creatine that you can purchase in order to avoid the water retention side of it. Yeah, so I just want to give y'all a few tips for when deciding what to purchase for your supplement stack. Supplements can get very expensive very fast, so sometimes it really is ideal to kind of analyze your needs and what you want to get out of your supplements before making those purchases. So a couple tips for building your supplement stack to personalize it for your needs. I can't talk today. Actually, no, I can talk in any video, so I'm just, okay, you know what? Yeah. So it's really about personalizing your supplement stack for your needs. So if you're really focused on fat loss, then you're definitely going to want to have your multivitamin, your probiotic, and your fish oil. But then the fat burner might be more important to you than, say, your creatine or whatever. If you're looking to build strength and gain muscle and that kind of thing, then, you know, the protein might be really important for you. Make sure you still have your multivitamin, your probiotic, and your fish oil in there. But the protein and the creatine might be more important to you. So it's really just about building a supplement stack that works for you and your body. Try different products, try assessing your goals, go into a supplement store and talk to the staff there, get some advice. Don't let them sell you on bullshit products. Ooh. Don't let them sell you on bullcrap products. And just, yeah, it's like, I feel like this video is not very helpful, but it's just really one of those things where you do have to personalize it for you and your goals. The biggest thing that I can say is don't buy any product that guarantees you insane results. Don't buy, like, you know, a skinny tea that says it's gonna, you know, help you lose 30 pounds in 90 days and stuff like that. Keep it within reason. Pretty much what I talked about should be just about the only thing you need. If you do have some other health concerns, there might be some other things that would be good for you, just depending on like your life and everything. I would consult your doctor before purchasing anything very specific, just so you're not wasting your money on something that you don't actually need. But yeah, I think that's all I have for today. I really hope this video was at least somewhat helpful. I wasn't gonna go into like the nitty-gritty of how every product works, because honestly, it's like, there's so much. I could literally ramble on for hours about how different supplements work. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I feel like it wasn't, but I'm really sorry. I just really want you guys to like be able to build a supplement stack that works for you. I know I've built one that I really love and that works for me and makes me feel on top of my game. So yes, if you did enjoy the video, please like it and share with someone you think that might benefit from it. Also, click the subscribe button down below to see more from me. Check out all the products I listed as well. They'll be down there, as well as Kara Corey's channel. And I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, have a good night, everybody. Bye. Hi, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're literally those gross cat parents. It's fine.